A lot of you watching me right now have used these natural ingredients and have had great results when it comes to hair growth. Others have used it with no result. In today's video, I'm going to show you the best way to use this natural ingredient to help you grow your hair. It is one of the most powerful natural ingredients you will ever find that can help you grow your hair much faster and also repair your damaged hair. Hello beautiful people, welcome or welcome back to my channel. If you're one of my returning subscribers, thank you for always coming back to watch my videos, giving them thumbs ups and even sharing them. And if you're stopping by for the first time, I really do appreciate you clicking on today's video, and I can promise you're going to learn a lot from this video. Alright, to start with, we're going to need some clove. Clove is one of the powerful natural ingredients you can ever find, as I said. Clove can help stimulate blood flow. It has antioxidant properties as well as antimicrobial and antifungal properties. This will help treat your scalp from dandruff, itchiness, and other scalp issues that can hinder your hair from growing. If you're someone suffering from hair breakage, hair fall, hair shedding, adding clove to your hair care routine can help stop all that. I'm going to show you two ways that you can prepare your clove hairspray, and I'm going to show you which one is the best out of the two. So the first one, I put about a tablespoon of clove in a mason jar. I top it with a very hot water. Then after that, I'm going to set it aside overnight. And hey you all, you know how we do it here. But if you're new here and you do not know how we do it here, we show a lot of love around this channel. So please show your girl some love by giving this video a thumbs up. And if you're new here, do not forget to subscribe and click on the bell so each time I upload DIYs for hair growth like these, you will always be notified. And do not forget to share this video with your friends, your families, as well as on your social media platforms. Thank you for doing all that. Alright, so this is the next day. Our clove in the mason jar has been sitting and being infusing with the water for about 24 hours. In a saucepan, I'm going to put the same amount of clove, and I'm also going to top it up with the same amount of water. I put it on the stove and I'm going to allow it to boil for about 5 minutes. Do not overboil your clove. After 5 minutes, you're going to set it off the stove and you're going to transfer everything, including the clove, the whole clove, into your mason jar. This time you're not going to leave it overnight, but we're going to set it aside for a couple of hours. Guys, this DIY recipe is super powerful and I hope you are following each and every step of it. Do not skip around, otherwise you'll miss all the important information. And also, it is one way to know how to prepare this DIY hair growth spray and another to know the best way to use it. In this video, I'm going to show you the best way to use clove spray in order to get all the benefits out of it. Some people are not getting the results they are looking for because they are not using clove spray or clove water the right way. It's been a couple of hours after I put the clove in the saucepan into a mason jar, and that is the one with the red lid. The mason jar with the green lid is the one that has been sitting overnight for about 24 hours. So you can tell the difference in color. I'm going to just strain the one with the red lid and I'm going to tell you more about the difference between the two. Hey you all, if you're still watching this video to this point and haven't shown your girl some love, what are you waiting for? Please show your girl some love by giving this video a thumbs up. And if you are new here, do not forget to subscribe and click on the bell so each time I upload DIYs for hair growth like these, you will always be notified. And do not forget to share this video with your friends, your families, as well as on your social media platforms. Thank you for doing all that. So at this time, I'm going to add some castor oil. Just reading on the bottle, you will know that castor oil can help condition your hair. It is a thicker oil, so you don't need much. About a tablespoon for this quantity of clove water is just enough. It is very important to add some kind of oil to your clove water if you want it to work for your hair. Clove water is basically just water based, so you need some kind of oil to help it stay in your hair much longer. I'm also going to add some vitamin E oil. You don't need much, just a few drops for this quantity is just enough. Vitamin E oil can help prevent hair breakage. It will strengthen your hair strands and also help protect your hair strands. I'm also going to add my essential oils. I love adding essential oils to my DIY hair growth recipes. It doesn't just add to the smell of any DIY recipe, but it also has its own added benefits. Today, I added rosemary essential oil. I love rosemary essential oil because of its smell, and also it can treat your scalp and stimulate blood flow to your scalp to help you grow healthy hair. Once I add everything, I'm going to give it a good stir and I'm going to transfer it into a spray bottle. Now let's go on to the difference between leaving your clove water overnight versus boiling it and using it within a couple of hours. So let me tell you, there is not much of a difference. The goal here is to extract all the nutrients from the clove. But I have found that boiling the clove extracts more of the nutrient, it makes the color deeper, and it also makes it more potent. But it's a matter of preference. Also, whenever you use clove water on your hair, make sure you follow with a hair moisturizer. Put your hair in a protective hairstyle to lock in the moisture. Use clove water at least 4 times a week. Use it to moisturize your hair. It is going to stimulate blood flow to your scalp, help you grow new healthy hair, and also protect your hair from breaking. You need to be consistent with the use in order for you to get all the results you are looking for. Let me hear from you in the comment section below if this is something you love to try at home.